Ben Armstrong, formerly of BitBoy Crypto, has taken to X to contradict recent claims that he has $80 million in XRP as part of his latest campaign. In addition, historical data suggests that XRP might fall up to 63% from its yearly high of $0.93 to retest a 4-year trendline before staging a significant rally. But could this be correct? Finally, researchers from Japan's Kyoto University published a study on XRP price and transaction network topology, which demonstrated a high anti-correlation during bubble periods. Armstrong reportedly has at least $80 million in XRP holdings, according to a recent estimate. Despite his substantial XRP holdings, Armstrong requested donations from the XRP community in order to prosecute a legal action in which he was involved, according to the article. "This is hilarious," Armstrong replied to the claim. He then proceeded to offer a comprehensive overview of the scenario. In a reaction tweet, Armstrong exposed his financial entanglements with his former chief financial officer, CFO, Timothy Shed, as well as the bankrupt crypto lending business Celsius. Shed is the CFO of Hit Network, the media company where Armstrong formerly worked. According to Armstrong, Shed has suffered staggering losses of $3 million in crypto assets on the Celsius network. He also pointed out that Shed's son, TJ Shed, the CEO of Hit Network, had hired his father as CFO despite his father's lack of financial expertise. The basic issue was that the now-defunct platform held the company's XRP portfolio, including Armstrong's. Furthermore, Armstrong said that the Hit Network CEO refused to fire his father despite the waste of money. "They stole all of my money," Armstrong alleged. Meanwhile, Ripple's chief technology officer, David Schwartz, was fascinated by Armstrong's claim that he had 160 million XRP but is seeking financial assistance. Schwartz claimed that the publication was a waste of time and lacked credibility. He thinks the article is completely nonsense. This critique surfaces despite Schwartz's repeated tackles on Armstrong on X. Similarly, other XRP community members expressed their dissatisfaction with the publication, criticizing it of having insufficient material. Some called it nothing more than clickbait. As they properly pointed out, in studying the wallet Armstrong provided for the donations, the author ignored one vital feature. The address in question was a wallet for exchanging currency. The crypto influencer had used his unique identifier as the wallet's destination tag, which the author completely overlooked. To put it another way, the exchange wallet includes $80 million XRP. Armstrong's XRP donation wallet received only 1,034 XRP from 13 donors, according to one source. Robert, a Dubai-based crypto specialist, highlighted this tendency in a recent piece. Furthermore, Robert, a Dubai-based crypto specialist, brought attention to this pattern in a recent investigation. Over the last 4 years, XRP has returned to a precise trendline according to a market observer. According to him, every time the asset retests the trendline support, it surges dramatically. Robert believes that it is plausible to expect XRP to retest this trendline before exploding higher. The analyst offered an XRP daily chart to back up his comments. Interestingly, data from the chart shows that the XRP market has experienced regular drops over the last 4 years. The trendline was retested for the first time in March 2020, when XRP fell to $0.11. Following this setback, XRP exploded, reaching a peak of $0.78 on November 24, 2020. This increase showed a 575% increase after the retest. After peaking at $0.78, XRP plummeted by more than 77% to $0.17 on December 29, 2020. The SEC's claims against Ripple, released on December 22, 2020, prompted massive selling pressure in the XRP market, contributing to the price decline. The dip, however, was limited, since XRP had reached support at the trendline after falling to $0.17. Following this retest, the asset increased by 986% in April 2021, reaching $1.96. This rise was followed by a multi-month reverse. After more than a year of fighting the bears, XRP dropped nearly 85%. The price will fall from $1.96 to $0.28 on June 18, 2022. After hitting this floor, XRP retested the trendline. The net outcome was a modest 92% increase. Notably, XRP plummeted to $0.03 in January of this year, returning to the trendline. Following the called victory, it eventually reached a high of $0.93 on July 13 this year. The asset, however, is currently facing a correction. The majority of the gains since this high have been retraced. During this lengthy drop, XRP has fallen 51% from its top of $0.93. According to Robart, the asset will continue to decrease till it approaches the trendline. The expert predicts a decrease of 63.36% from $0.93, with a support level of $0.34. Robart believes that before initiating a significant rally, XRP must fall to this level. However, he has not established any price targets. XRP is currently selling at $0.51, a 1.89% increase over the previous week. Despite the setbacks, the asset is up 51% this year. Now for the day's big event. Is there a relationship between the price of XRP and the transaction network structure? Is there a relationship between the price of XRP and the transaction network structure? Please keep in mind to subscribe to our channel and to activate the notification bell to be among the first to hear about new XRP developments. Graduate students at Kyoto University in Japan have published research that demonstrates the dynamic relationship between the price of XRP and the correlation tensor spectra of its transaction network. In this application, the correlation tensor spectra of a network represent a mathematical description of the network structure and connection. Its goal is to discover patterns and relationships between nodes. Rafaf Kohnman, a renowned XRP influencer, recently tweeted about the research article to the XRP community. The researchers expanded on a previous study that focused on the period surrounding 2018, dubbed the crypto bubble. The price of XRP showed a serious anti-correlation with the largest singular values derived from the correlation tensors extracted from weekly XRP transaction networks, according to the paper. In a nutshell, it revealed a consistent and powerful pattern. When the price of XRP grew, specific significant values estimated from transaction data declined, and as the price of XRP decreased, the same values increased. This follow-up study expanded on the correlation tensor spectrum technique for XRP transaction networks. The researchers computed and compared the large singular values distribution. They used random matrix theory and empirical correlation tensor data in their study. Notably, their 2-year study encompassed both bubbles and non-bubbles in the XRP market. During non-bubble periods, there was no significant relationship between the price of XRP and the largest unique value. Throughout the bubble period, however, the investigation showed a substantial anti-correlation between the price of XRP and the maximum single value. The researchers found a series of driver nodes that drove the XRP market during the bubble period using the information gathered from the singular vectors. Finally, a study revealed the value of correlation tensor spectra in understanding the dynamic interplay between XRP price and transaction network. It underlined how market conditions influence this relationship and provided insights into the dynamics of the XRP market during bubble and non-bubble periods. According to recent announcements, blockchain company Ripple intends to significantly expand its workforce, with a particular emphasis on Canada. Finally, according to recent filings, blockchain company Ripple intends to significantly boost its workforce, with a particular emphasis on Canada. Furthermore, the company has employees in London, Singapore, Australia, and other regions. Ripple is looking for a diverse range of skills for its Toronto office, including principal engineers across different domains, senior software engineers with expertise in areas such as machine learning and data platforms, and various administrative jobs. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse recently announced that the company's goal for this year is to focus 80% of its employment efforts outside of the United States. He has repeatedly expressed his dissatisfaction with the regulatory climate in the United States. However, Ripple still has a few job positions in San Francisco and New York. So, gentlemen, this video has concluded. If you enjoyed it, please like it, subscribe, and click the notification bell. This is quite beneficial. And the YouTube algorithm. Furthermore, by sharing this video with as many people as possible, you can assist in enlightening others in the same way that you have been enlightened. Don't miss any of our content if you're a true Bitcoin enthusiast. See you tomorrow to discuss the most recent news that affects our entire community.